Hello, this is question 10 on your November 2020 paper 1 from Edexcel. You have an substitution or an integration by substitution question. So they give you the substitution, so x is u squared plus 1, and we have to show first that our integral is this one. So when we do the change of variable or the coding, we are going to get this. So first, if we have, this is for a, so if we have that x is u squared plus 1, the first thing we need to find is the x by dy, the du, which is 2u, which means the x is going to be 2u du. And now with this, I'm going to substitute everything here that has an x by something with an u, yeah? And the first thing I have to substitute are the limits, because these limits are values of x. So when x is 5, u is going to be 5 minus 1, 4, square root of that is 2. So when x is 5, u is going to be 2, and when x is 10, I have 10 minus 1, 9, square root of that is 3. So when x is 10, u is 3. And then I have 3 times, instead of the x, I can write 2u the u in the numerator, and the denominator I have x minus 1 is u squared. And then in the bracket I have 3 plus 2 square root of x minus 1. Square root of x minus 1 is the square root of x, yeah? So x minus 1 is u squared. Square root of this is square root of u squared, which is u, yeah? So I have 3 plus 2u. And I can simplify a bit, so I can divide by u, and I have the integral between 2 and 3. 2 times 3, 6, the u divided by u and 3 plus the u's, du, sorry, 2u, that is I have to prove, yeah? And they asked me the values of p and q, which are 2 and 3. So p is 2 and q is 3. And that's it, that's the first part. Then hence, so we are going to use this and not this, using algebraic integration, so that this integral is logarithm ln a, where a is a rational constant to be found. So let's going to integrate that after we have coded, so with the u. I have a fraction where the numerator is not the derivative of the denominator, right? But I have two clear factors, so what I can do is write that as algebraic fractions. So I'm going to write 6 over u 3 plus 2u as an a divided by u plus a b divided by 3 plus 2u, because then I will be able to use ln to integrate that. So this is going to be a 3 plus 2u plus b times u. I'm just adding the fractions, u 3 plus 2u. If I compare this expression with this expression, the denominators are the same, so I have to make the numerator equal to this, which means 6 is going to be a 3 plus 2u plus bu. And now I have to find a and b. I can use substitution or I can compare coefficients. It's really up to you. So for example, if I make u equals 0, I get rid out of this b here, and I have 6 is going to be on the left hand side. I have 6, and in the right hand side this is 0, so I have 3a, which means that a is 2, and this is the first one. And then for b, I can substitute by minus 3 divided by 2, but this is not a very nice number, so I'm going to use, I'm going to compare coefficients. So for example, I'm going to say that 0, which is the coefficient of u, and in the left hand side, I don't have u here, I have only a number, is going to be a times 2u, so 2a plus b, and b plus b. But I know that a is 2, so I have 4 plus b is 0, which means that b is minus 4. Yeah, so this expression here, or this expression here, can be written as 2 over u minus 4 over 3 plus 2u. Yeah, and I'm going to integrate that between 2 and 3 du. And now this is very easy because when I have a number divided by u, and I have, this is the derivative of this one, I have ln. So this is going to be 2 ln of u minus 4 ln of 3 plus 2u. But the derivative of this one is 2, so I have to divide this 4 by 2. So when I do the derivative, I have the 4. Yep. This is going to be between 2 and 3. So what I'm going to do now is substitute by 3 and then substitute by 2. So I have, when I substitute by 3, I have 2 ln 3. So this is going to be equal to ln 3 minus 2 ln, when u is 3, I have 3 times 2, 6 plus 3, 9. So 2 ln 9 minus 2 ln 9 minus, now I substitute by the 2. So when I substitute by 2 here, I have 2 ln 2, 2 ln 2. And when I substitute in the other one, I have 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 3 is 7, so I have 2 ln 7. So minus 2 ln 7. I can multiply this bracket, and I can put these two as an exponent. Yeah, so I have ln of 3 squared minus ln of 9 squared minus ln 2 squared plus ln 7 squared. So what I'm going to do now is to put in the numerator the positive one, so this plus this is the same that ln of 3 squared times 7 squared, and then the negative ones, I can put them together, so minus ln of 9 squared times 2 squared, just using the properties of the logs, which means this is ln of 3 squared times 7 squared divided by 9 squared 2 squared, and this is ln. And now we are going to find our fraction. So this is 9, so I can cancel this with one of these 9s, so this with this, and in the numerator I have 49, and in the denominator I have 9 times 4. And this is it. This is my a. So a is 49 over 36. They say is a rational constant, yeah? So that's perfect. And that's it.